You can easily change the keyboard size on your Android phone, but how you do it depends on what keyboard you're using. If you're using Google's Gboard, which is the most common option, you can tap these four tiles in the corner of your keyboard. Sometimes you'll see three dots instead of four tiles, depends on your phone. Choose Resize, and you can resize your keyboard. You can make it taller, change the position, and once you're happy with your adjustments, you'll just tap Done, nice and easy. If you're using a Samsung phone with the Samsung keyboard, this is done through your settings. We'll go to Settings and General Management, and from there I'll go to Keyboard. Once I'm in the Keyboard menu, I'll choose Samsung Keyboard from the list, and then scroll down to Size and Transparency. Similar adjustment options here. I can move the keyboard position slightly and drag it from the sides and corners to resize it. The outline will flash red when you've reached the limit on either side. Then you'll just tap Done. And now your updated keyboard size will automatically show every time you're using an app that allows you to type. And that's how you change the keyboard size. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.